Ever wondered how the Super Bowl could influence your investments? This colossal event doesn't just determine the champion of football, it has the power to shape entire markets. Get ready as we explore the financial powerhouse behind the Super Bowl and how you can seize the opportunities it presents. With over 100 million viewers tuning in, the Super Bowl isn't just a game, it's a marketing spectacle that can send stock prices soaring. But how do you turn this sports phenomenon into actionable investment strategies? Stick around, because we're about to uncover the secrets behind the numbers. Every year, the Super Bowl rakes in staggering revenues, often exceeding $5 billion. This isn't just about ticket sales, we're talking about explosive advertising, merchandise sales, and hospitality. Let's dive into the economic impact and see how you can ride this wave to financial success. In 2020, brands shelled out an average of $5.6 million for a measly 30 seconds of airtime during the Super Bowl. That's right, $5.6 million. And guess what? Companies like Budweiser, Coca-Cola, and Amazon have seen their stock prices skyrocket following the game. Take Budweiser's 2019 ad, for example. Featuring an emotional reunion between a puppy and its owner, it became a viral sensation, driving up brand engagement and stock performance. This isn't just advertising, it's an investment in visibility that pays off. Let's rewind to 2004. When the New England Patriots clashed with the Carolina Panthers, companies advertising during the game saw their stock prices jump by an average of 2.8% in the week after. That's a powerful indicator of how significant this event can be for brands. And it gets better. In 2015, a well-known snack brand stock rose by 3.5% after a hilarious Super Bowl ad went viral. The immediate boost in sales was impressive, but the long-term brand strength was even more vital. The Super Bowl also has a profound impact on consumer behavior. In 2019, a staggering 47% of viewers planned to buy snacks and drinks specifically for the game. Can you believe that? Brands that tap into this enthusiasm stand to gain immensely. During the 2020 Super Bowl, snack food sales surged by an estimated 20%, giving companies like PepsiCo and Frito-Lay a significant boost. Why is this? The Super Bowl is a social event where friends and family gather, and brands can market their products as essential viewing companions. The emotional connection fans have with the game transforms into increased sales for brands that hit the right notes. So, which sectors should you keep your eyes on as the Super Bowl approaches? First up, consumer goods. Brands that invest heavily in advertising during the game often see sales skyrocket. Think beer, snacks, and soft drinks. These are the staples of any Super Bowl party. In 2018, Anheuser-Busch's stock rose following their Super Bowl commercials, which prominently featured their flagship brands. The company reported a significant increase in brand engagement and sales in the weeks that followed. Next, let's talk tech and streaming services. More people are streaming the game than ever before, and companies like Amazon and Roku can experience a surge in subscribers. The demand for high-quality streaming options increases as fans want to catch every exhilarating moment of this major event. And don't forget retail. Companies selling Super Bowl merchandise or offering promotions can see an influx of sales. Fanatics, a sports merchandise retailer, often experiences a spike in sales around the Super Bowl, especially for jerseys and apparel. Now, consider the impact of promotions. Retailers that create Super Bowl-themed promotions can see significant increases in foot traffic and online sales. This is especially true for businesses that market holiday deals or special bundles. As we explore these sectors, think about the investment opportunities they offer. By focusing on companies poised to benefit from the Super Bowl, you can position yourself for potential financial gains. Let's dig deeper into how historical trends can guide your investment decisions. Historically, the stock market has reacted positively after the Super Bowl, especially for companies involved in advertising. The Super Bowl indicator states that if the NFC wins, the market will rise, while an AFC win suggests a downturn. While it's not a guaranteed strategy, it's a fascinating metric to consider. For example, when the Seattle Seahawks triumphed over the Denver Broncos in 2014, the Dow Jones Industrial Average saw a significant rise in the weeks that followed. On the flip side, when the Baltimore Ravens won against the San Francisco 49ers in 2013, the market faced some fluctuations. This shows how sports events can influence investor psychology. Now, here are some actionable strategies as you prepare for the Super Bowl. First, keep an eye on advertisers. Identify which companies are investing heavily in advertising this year. Their stocks may rise post-game. If you notice a brand with a memorable ad, consider adding it to your watch list. Next, analyze historical performance around the Super Bowl. Which companies have consistently benefited? Look for patterns that can inform your investment choices. Another smart strategy is to diversify your portfolio. If you're investing in the sports sector, think about branching out into related industries like tech and retail. This approach helps mitigate risks while maximizing potential gains. Also, leverage tools to analyze consumer sentiment before and after the Super Bowl. Companies that generate positive buzz may see a more significant impact on their stock prices. Let's highlight some successful investment stories linked to the Super Bowl. In 2021, PepsiCo's stock saw a noticeable bump following its Super Bowl ad campaign. The company reported higher than expected earnings in the subsequent quarter, largely thanks to its marketing prowess during the game. Coca-Cola also experienced a surge in brand engagement after airing a memorable ad that resonated with viewers. Their stock price climbed significantly in the weeks following the event, showcasing the power of effective advertising. Looking ahead, the integration of technology and sports will only intensify. Think about how cryptocurrencies and NFTs might play a role in future Super Bowl events. Brands are already exploring these avenues to engage fans in new and exciting ways. NFTs have taken the sports world by storm, allowing fans to own unique digital memorabilia. Imagine investing in a digital collectible from a Super Bowl winning team. This trend creates new revenue streams for franchises and opens up innovative investment opportunities for fans and investors alike. As the NFT market grows, savvy investors should consider diversifying their portfolios with digital assets. The potential for price appreciation in unique collectibles could offer substantial returns. With the rising popularity of streaming services, traditional broadcasting is undergoing rapid changes. Companies that adapt to these shifts will likely see substantial growth. As more people turn to platforms like Disney Plus and Hulu for sports content, think about how these companies might perform in the investment landscape. Furthermore, advancements in technology, such as virtual reality and augmented reality, could reshape how fans experience the Super Bowl. Companies leading in these technologies may have significant growth potential. The Super Bowl's global audience is expanding, with international markets becoming increasingly important. Companies that successfully tap into these markets can see significant growth, presenting additional investment opportunities. In recent years, the NFL has made strides to expand its reach internationally, hosting games in London and Mexico City. This strategy not only enhances brand value but also opens up new revenue streams for franchises. Now, I want to hear from you. What companies do you think will benefit the most from this year's Super Bowl? Do you have any investment strategies you swear by? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. To wrap up, the Super Bowl is more than just a game, it's a catalyst for investment opportunities. By understanding its economic impact and keeping an eye on key sectors, you can make informed decisions that align with your investment goals. As the Super Bowl approaches, consider the broader economic implications of this event. With the right strategies and insights, you can position yourself for financial success in your investment portfolio. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more investment insights that can help you grow your portfolio. Let us know in the comments which companies you think will shine this Super Bowl season, and share your investment strategies with us. Your insights could help fellow investors navigate this exciting financial landscape. This is not financial advice.